Thutha wa njorotano iria iragomeire ceceni ya borithi ya Central kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, nduku igiri thiru kurumirira kura kwa mwikuirwo umwe wa uici wa kiahinya akiroka gutuirwo ni igoti. Riu kamwene ni gakuona macokio ma kiria kiarire kingi ni kahenuku kuona maabithaa eeri ya borithi kuma ceceni-ini iyo ni marangithirio mbaũ-ini umuthi magikuirwo kunyita itemi ndeto-ini iyo. Maabithaa aya aria ni Sharon Kipchumba na Peter Angura makinyirio mbere ya mucirithania Faith Munyi na kuria mathomeirwo ati kuri tariki 2 mweri uyu turi wa mugaa mari eri ni mateithiriria mwikuirwo umwe wa uici wa kiahinya kwa ritwa Sharon Kipchumba gwithara ari njera-ini iyo. Eri aya kugerera wakiri wao David Mongeri ni makanire thitango ici na marekererio na bodi ya muigana wa ciringi 50,000 kana ciringi 25,000 pesa baribari. Kwirikanite mwikuirwo ucio kuri utuku wa tariki 6 mweri-ini wa 11 mwaka muthiru ni ahithukiire Martin Mathea kibuku mucii-ini gwake mwena wa Ngala kaunti-ini ya Naikuru na akimuraga na thutha-ini ucio gwithara na indo cia nyumba.
Na leo ndio ilikuwa kesi yake inakuja, ndio mshukiwa ahukumiwe, lakini tunasikia ati alitoroka kutoka polisi.
Ona kuria uguo mwikuirwo ucio ni etikirira mahitia macio, undu uria igoti riathanire ambe ahingirwo ceceni-ini ya borithi na niguo guthuthurio meciria mbere ya tuirirwo. Hau kabere munini wa OCPD njera-ini iyo Daniel Kitavi ni arakanite ndumiriri ya kura kwa mwikuirwo ucio thengia ya uhoro kumbuka ati ni arugamitie maabithaa eri wira kumana na mahitia macio.
We got a report that there is a suspect who was held here at Central Police Station for an offense of robbery with violence. Then when he was being escorted outside the cells, he managed to escape. After the escape, the matter was reported and then we commenced investigations.
Andu a nyumba ya Mathea onao ni maramenereirie giko giki makioria munene wa borithi Joseph Boynet gukorwo akingirira ndeto yo na gutigirira ni mona kihoto.
We were coming today for the sentencing of the accused person who was charged with robbery with violence causing death, and we were shocked to find out that he had escaped from police custody, and we don't understand how that's possible. So we hope and pray that they are going to arrest him.
Ecira wa ekwirwo aya eri ugacoka guthikiririo ringi tariki 30 mweri-ini uyu turi wa mugaa. Muigai wa Gathungu, Kameme TV, mutamburuko wa mohoro.